ஆல் இண்டியா ரேடியோ செய்திக் கதம்பம்.
தெற்கு ரயில்வே சார்பாக 75வது சுதந்திர தின விழா நேற்று கொண்டாடப்பட்டது. இந்நிகழ்ச்சியில் தேசிய கொடியை ஏற்றி வைத்து தெற்கு ரயில்வேயின் சாதனைகள் குறித்து உரையாற்றினார் அதன் பொது மேலாளர் திரு ஜான் தாமஸ். அவர் பேசுகையில்,
Indian Railways has consistently been geared to meet challenges and pull the wheels of development. The years 2020 and 2021 taxing for the whole world due to the COVID pandemic. Indian Railways was no exception. I would like to quote Tony Robbins, who once said, "Every problem is a gift. Without problems, we would not grow." Southern Railway men and women showed their indomitable spirit in facing the challenges posed by the pandemic and emerging stronger. Our performance in the last 1.5 years has been defined by our fight against COVID-19. While we combated the first wave successfully, the second wave in April and May this year turned out to be more virulent. It saddens me to say we not only lost 152 railway employees to the pandemic, but also many of our railway family members. However, notwithstanding the personal tragedies, our employees came together to keep the railways running. Railways took the initiative to run oxygen specials to states which were facing oxygen shortage. Southern Railway handled 214 oxygen specials with coordination of all the departments. Our medical infrastructure has been strengthened by creation of separate wards and increasing the beds for COVID patients from 80 to 280 at Perambur during the peak of the pandemic. Further, a separate pediatric ward to attend to COVID-affected children is being developed at the new block of the new railway hospital, Perambur. Adequate availability of consumables and essential drugs for treating COVID and mucormycosis has been ensured. Contract medical practitioners and paramedical staff in various categories with support staff have been engaged to cater to the needs of COVID patients. Realizing that information was vital for relatives of COVID patients, a user-friendly application, COVID Information System, was created. COVID vaccination is now available at all our hospitals. Till date, more than 83,000 doses had been administered at our health facilities. I would also like to mention the role played by workshops and the stores department in combating COVID. The supply of oxygen tanks by our workshops to our hospitals ensured sufficient storage capacity for oxygen. Our stores department expedited the procurement of COVID-related equipments. Oxygen generators have been commissioned at Madurai Divisional Hospital and 2 have been procured for Railway Hospital Perambur. Oxygen plants at other divisional hospitals are also being processed. Southern Railway is thus geared up to manage any future waves of the pandemic. I am happy to inform you that we have had no major accidents so far this year. During 2021, 68 LC gates were interlocked, the highest on Indian Railways. In the current year, 30 LC gates have been interlocked so far. All manned level crossing gates in Chennai, Salem and Palghar divisions have been interlocked. Electronic interlocking system has been provided at 21 stations from 2020 July 2021. Second distance signal has been provided in the HDN route of Arakonam-Renigunda. Train detection system with multi-section digital axle counter has been commissioned at 4 stations. I am sure Southern Railway will continue to achieve high standards of safety and reliability. The COVID pandemic and the ensuing lockdown severely restricted our activities. However, despite the challenges, we achieved a loading of 26.85 million tons of freight in 2021. During April to July 2021, we have loaded 9.43 million tons, earning a revenue of rupees 943 crores. Southern Railway performed particularly well in the automobile loading, which increased by 36% and gave us an increment of 35% in earnings. The operation of fewer coaching services affected our parcel traffic too. However, Southern Railways could offset it to a large extent by running both leased and non-leased parcel cargo expresses. Passenger traffic was severely affected in 2021. However, this year we are running nearly 92% of our pre-COVID services and have so far carried 64 million passengers between April and July 2021. I am also happy to mention that 12-car memo services were inducted for the first time on the Ernakulam, Shoranur, Kannur sectors. It is also a matter of pride that punctuality percentage of Southern Railway for the period April 2021 to July 2021 is 97.6%, the second best among all zones of the Indian Railways. Seamless and safe running of trains is possible only with infrastructure development and improved mobility. During the year 2020-2021, we completed doubling of 7 sections. During the first quarter of 2021-22, we completed Andipetti-Theni section of the Madurai-Bodhinayakur gauge conversion project, Tambram-Gudvancheri section of Tambram-Chengalput third line project, and Tatapare-Milavatam section will be commissioned shortly. It is also expected that the doubling of the Trivandrum-Mangalore section will be completed this year, with the completion of the doubling between Etumanur and Chingavanam. Speed increase over 14 sections has been achieved during April 2020 to July 21 and will be increased in 9 more sections soon. Loop line speeds of 9 sections were increased and 27 permanent speed restrictions were relaxed. Our railway has also surpassed the board's target in deep screening, turnout renewal and well renewal. 70.87% of route kilometers available on Southern Railway is already electrified, and further 186 route kilometers of new lines have been electrified between April 2020 and July 2021. The effect of improved infrastructure and asset reliability is visible by the increase in speed of freight trains to 50.7 kilometers per hour during the first 3 months of 2021-2022. Southern Railway is committed to reduce its carbon footprint. 5 overage goods locos have been modified as dual-mode shunting locos, which can be operated with the battery or OHE. Use of regenerative braking in 3-phase electric locos has resulted in an energy savings of 103 crores 2020-2021. We have also installed 4.85 megawatts capacity of solar rooftop plants. Further, our windmills have generated electricity of about 61.6 million units. I am also happy to share that Coimbatore Junction Railway Station has been awarded the Green Co Platinum Rating Certificate by CII. It gives me great pleasure to inform you that S&T Workshop Podanur is amongst the first workshops in Indian Railways to get 5 ISO certifications under the Integrated Management Systems certification. Our railways, being largely a passenger-oriented railway, realizes the need to provide comfortable and safe traveling atmosphere for passengers. Platforms have been extended in 11 stations and platform shelters provided in 42 stations. 10 lifts and 11 escalators have been commissioned. Wi-Fi facility has been provided at all 544 stations. To enhance passenger security, video surveillance cameras has been commissioned at 58 stations.
இத்துடன் இன்றைய செய்திக் கதம்பம் நிறைவு பெறுகிறது.